Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikashi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a no parking board virtually. So here is a sample of the no parking board. And before entering into the video, make sure that you've liked the video, shared it, subscribed to my channel, and followed me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram so that I can just reach you out for all my updates and any help if you need. So let us get started. We're going to be using HTML and CSS while creating this whole no parking board symbol. So first off, we have the title. The title is displayed instead of the new tab on your browser. So here we have page title. Simply, you can just have anything right here. Let's say KO or anything. Next up, we are using the canvas. The canvas is used to create graphics. It can be used to create simple to complex graphics. So here we have the ID, which is C1, which is created so that we can use this thing further in the JavaScript. We have the width and the height of the whole graphic. Then we have the style, which is the border, which is 5px, and the color is solid red. The color can be anything, let's say solid black or anything. You can just have solid purple or anything. So next up we have the background color, which is white. This can be again changed to any color. Next up we have script, which is the JavaScript. Here we can just use any script, dynamic script in this script tag. So here we have a variable which is scan, and this is to get the document.element, which is C1, so that this can be used in our script further. Then we have another variable ctx, which says that anything, all the context of this program is a 2D shape, not a 3D. Now here we start up the creating of the no parking board. Then we have the first, which is the ctx.font. This is for a 30px, the no which is displayed, and the from font family Arial. We have the fill text, which is another attribute, which is no, which is the text, and 80 and 70 as the XY positions respectively. Next up we have the circle, which is used to create the symbol for no parking, and this is created using 5 attributes, which is begin path, stroke style, line width, arc, and stroke. For the stroke style, we have the color red. You can again make it anything. Let's say purple. So that's how it works. Next up, we have the line width, which is 4. You can create it to, let's say, 7 or 10. So here we have 7. The width of the line gets more increased over here. Then we have the ctx.arc, which creates the main circle with 100 and 125 the xy positions and 2 into math.pi as the radius for the circle. Then we have the ctx.stroke, which ends up the creation of the circle. Next up, we have the ctx.font, which is 40px and the font family Arial. The stroke style black and the stroke text is P. So it is as the symbol in here, and the positions to be 90 and 140. Next up, we have ctx.stroke style red, and this is to create this slant line over here which crosses the circle, and this is the starting of the line, which is from move to. It starts from 70 and 100 as x and y. Then we have ctx.line 2, which is the ending of the line, which is from 130 to 150. Then we have ctx.stroke and the close path. Next up, we have the parking word over here, which is ctx.font from 30px and the family Arial. Then we have ctx.fill text, which is parking, and the x and y positions as 40 and 210. So that's how it works, and this is how you're going to create the whole program. Now let's just have this as 100 because it looks more big. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below and press the notification bell. Also follow me on Instagram to be updated with my further videos and things like that. Thank you, bye.